guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and thanks so much for stopping by my YouTube channel to hang out with me. So today's video, I'm going to be working in Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to be designing and printing chip bags. Now, as some of you may know already, Cricut Design Space does have a print and cut limitation. So normally you wouldn't be able to print a full-size chip bag in Cricut Design Space. It's going to be a lot smaller, and it usually cannot fit a 1-ounce bag of chips. So I'm going to be sharing with you all a hack that I discovered that you can do that way that you can print and cut your chip bags directly from Cricut Design Space without having to use your snipping tool or convert your image to a PDF. So if you're interested, make sure you watch the video to the end. Please, if you find the video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. And I'm also going to be using my chip bag template that I created for Cricut Design Space. It's an SVG file. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description box down below. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I have uploaded my chip bag template, and you want to upload the SVG file that's included in your chip bag template files. I also uploaded the barcode and the nutritional facts label, and I went on ahead and I uploaded some clip arts that I want to use in this quick design. So with your template itself, it has different pieces. You can click on each piece to change it. So this would be your top banner here. We can change this to a different color, or we can go to the Fill tab, select Print, and we can put in a pattern that we uploaded. So I'm going to use this pattern. Okay, I'm going to go to the next section. I'm going to do the same thing here. Go to the Fill tab, Print, and I'm going to add a pattern. Okay, so once you are satisfied with your design, you want to highlight everything, group it together. You want to attach it. And you want to flatten. Okay, what happened to my text? I don't even know. What happened to it? Okay, so my text had disappeared on me. I had to go back and make sure I selected print so it can say cut and print. Okay, I don't use Cricut that often. So after that, you want to highlight everything. You want to group it together. You want to go down and you want to attach it. And you want to flatten. Okay, now you can select Make It. Continue. You don't even need your machine plugged up for this. You can just send to your printer. Quick tip when printing, when you're using glossy photo paper or the brochure paper, you want to make sure you use your system dialog because you're going to have to go in and make sure your printer settings are correct. So under paper type, you want to select photo paper, and under the quality, you want it set to best, and you want to click OK. And now you can print. All right, guys, so we have printed out our chip bag design directly from Cricut Design Space. And when you do this, it's going to have those lines around it. But we don't want the machine to cut this out for us. We're gonna cut it out ourselves, and we're gonna cut along the lines. We want to leave as much white area as possible. I'm going to show you the paper that I use. I use this paper. You can find this paper over on Amazon. I'll link it down below. You can also use just regular photo paper. You can find this particular brand at Walmart. It works just as well. It's just a thicker paper. You just have to make sure you go in and set your printer settings correctly. If you don't have your printer set correctly, you're going to find that the ink is not going to be dry completely, and it's going to be coming off once you touch it. As you can see, the ink is not coming off of my paper, and that's because I went in and I set my printer settings correctly. Now I'm going to cut this out and assemble. You have to make sure you're using some scroll tape if you're going to be using double-sided tape. I found the double-sided tape that I use off of Amazon, or you can use your hot glue gun. And you want it to be scrolled because it's going to be a tight fit. The bags are going to be a lot smaller than what I usually have my bags. So I'm going to cut it out and assemble. So stay tuned. Okay, so I forgot to mention that we're not going to cut the black lines out completely. We're going to leave one line along one of the sides. It doesn't matter which side, but we want to make sure we leave that line. We're going to need the extra space. And what we're going to do, if you're using your tape, you're going to run your tape down that side where the black line is, or your hot glue. All right, there you have it. Now, if you want to, you can cut off the black. If you still see some of your black line that you missed, you can cut it off. so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and follow me on all of my social media channels. And check out my website, hangingwiththekiddos.com. Bye.